I think they're very good events. It's nice to be able to look at stuff that's coming onto the market. We're all using that same technology, and it's nice to all get together and just meet other people. There are people I've recognised here that I've met at previous Peak-Ryzex events. I work for the programs department, which means we look after all the courier scanners, software, hardware, and the operating systems within the warehouse that deal with all the movement of shipments and the tracking and tracing. We're always looking to give a better service to the customer, so whether it be in the track and trace field, proof of deliveries, etc. Basically, we work on what's called a hub and spoke system. So in the UK, we've got two main hubs. One's at London, one's up in East Midlands. And then from those central hubs where the material's coming in from other countries, it then gets fed out to service centres. The service centre will then feed it out via the couriers to the final 1 mile delivery. We're using the mobile technology with the couriers themselves, feeding live data back to the customer with electronic proof of deliveries. We're also using mobile technology within the warehouses themselves, where they're scanning the shipments as they're going through, both on the inbound and the outbound of shipments, so they're constantly getting updated with checkpoints. We moved from the Motorola HC700 onto the MC95, and we basically came to you guys, asked for the new device, pre-built, all packaged with all the ancillaries that go with it, chargers, etc. And then you built them, distributed straight out to all of our service centres in one big hit. So we managed to deploy 1,400 scanners in a matter of about 2 weeks, which with our old way of working would have probably taken us about 3 months, which would have been turning up on site, taking out old kit, giving new kit, etc. We've found Peak-Ryzex very easy to work with. The service that they give us is very, very professional, very good, all very timely. We ask for something and we get an answer back very quickly on whether that's possible, and if so, which direction we need to go. Through Peak-Ryzex, we've got contracts direct with Motorola, so we'll book the device on the help desk, and then there's a direct exchange. New one turns up, ready to go, and they take away the old unit. It's very, very useful, very, very good. Keeps our guys working. We've all got a small stock, obviously, at each service centre, but that exchange the next day is very, very good. We have got time deliveries, which obviously we've got KPIs to reach certain points, certain times. If we've got a broken device and the courier can't go out, everything has to then go back manual. It's a lot slower process. There's problems with data getting transferred incorrectly from paper back into the systems, which we'd need to use. Whereas if you've got the direct exchange process, you're never without a device. We've gone through 3, 4, 5 generations of different device, and each time initially it's oh my goodness, I've got to change. And then by the end of that day, they've gone out, they've used it for the day, and they come back, this is actually so much better, so much faster, so much quicker. So it just takes time out of my day. Using the scanner has just given me extra time back.